Well, I just want to kind of introduce myself about who I am and what I do and what I'm gonna do. What I'm gonna be bringing to you guys is a mixture of mostly fishing videos. I'm an amateur fisherman. I love everything about it. I spend most of my money on that crap. I'm also a big, as you can see, I'm a big, actually you can't see, I don't know why I'm saying that. I am a big motorsports fan, particularly modifieds, mainly modifieds. I'm a big NASCAR fan. I love everything about it. What I'm a mixture of fishing and racing videos. Could be vlogs, could be videos of me on my boat with my buddy. It could be me out on an adventure somewhere in the middle of nowhere. But it's gonna be fun. I hope you guys like it. And yeah, I'm gonna bring you guys along. So subscribe. Another thing is, here's a video of me and my buddy. This is my first video I've ever recorded besides this one. It was me and my buddy. We went to his aunt's pond, about say 25 minutes away. We caught a few little fish, probably about 5 or 6 little fish. Myself, I probably caught about 5 or 6. Caught a few topwater. I mean, it's a good little video. I just wanted to kind of get my hands dirty with some editing stuff. And yeah. Oh, something hit it. A little one right there. Yeah, set this thing down. Yes, they're hitting it. Damn. I already did too. Hit this jerk bait I did. It's in the mud, damn. I have some electric cutters too in my bag.
Wow.
Huh?
That's wild. But,
What is?
no electric cutter. But,
Oh, I just use they're like pliers.
I got a line set the hook and went under that tree.
Yeah.
Broke it off.
That freaking fluorocarbon, so this shit is sinking. Yeah, those clippers suck, to be honest. Oh shit! Oh, damn!
Yeah, Alec Britt did that too. Man, so did I just now.
Damn. They were on me. I don't think I got bit, but maybe once. Damn.
You gotta watch out, man.
Damn. All over my shoe. Damn.
Watch out for them eyes.
Huh? Damn. Shit hurt like a mother. I didn't realize I was standing. Down at the bottom. Oh! Oh! Oh my god. My rod loaded up. I just almost got one under this grass over here. Oop, that was a bad catch. No, let's not duplicate that. Got one. It's all a little finesse worm. It's small, but I'll take it. Oh. This man in a rush. Probably get your glasses. Let me see that. Let me see your glasses. Let me see your glasses so I can see it. Holy sh! That's a carp, dude.
Oh, there's a carp?
Yeah.
I don't know.
Yeah, that's a carp. That's a grass carp. I can see it.
Shit, I might snag him. Hold on.
Go whaling again. Oh, got one. I wasn't even paying attention. This thing is so small. Yeah, it's a carp. This thing is so small.
Damn it.
How small it is.
I thought that was a damn
Dang it.
pound bass or something. How's that feel? Oh,
There you go, son of a bitch.
there's a little bass right there.
Yeah, no, there's a bunch of little ones right there. You find the big ones. You said you've caught like an 8-pounder up here. Huh? It's crazy. Oh, damn. I think they're little. Oh, I have them. Oh, no, I don't. That is tiny. Oh, what the hell? The hell? I don't want that shit. Oh. Is he back? There he goes. Okay. He's back. Alright, I need to go get another bait.
just smack him in the face. I'm gonna do a play this. Like watch, I'm gonna do a play this. Damn, too small. I didn't let him take it, to be fair. Got him. Got him. Ah! Top water fish. On the, oh my god, I did not set that hook good at all. Yeah. Damn it. I suck at frog fishing. I get better. Tiny topwater fish eat a frog about half the size. Bye. Nah, too easy.